Hi, I'm here with my Suzuki Kizashi. I have a shadow light or ghost light that is going out. It's really dull and dingy, no more color left. This is how it should look. So to fix this, we're going to have to take off the door panel. I would disconnect the negative battery using a 10mm. And before you do that, I would roll down the window just so when you get into taking off all the wiring harnesses in the back, it's a lot easier when you now have something blocking your way. We're going to have to remove the plastic cover behind the handle. And you're going to need a flathead screwdriver to remove the one behind the door handle. This is going to expose 3 Phillips head screws, one behind the door handle, and then 2 down here. Once you have the 3 Phillips head screws off, what you're going to need to do is take your flathead. I usually like to use the plastic tool so it doesn't scratch anything, but I could never get these doors off. But the only thing holding on your door is just white pegs. So start anywhere you want. Just you'll go into you fill a peg and you just pop it out. That's it. Careful around your door handle. But behind there, there's only 1 harness for the tweeter, 1 harness for down there, and then 1 down here for all your windows up and down and lock button. Once you take off the 3 harnesses, the door panel will be free. It'll expose you to this. Honestly, you don't have to take off the door panel to swap these out. It's just for sake of filming, it's a lot easier. Now, instead of buying the drill ones, you can actually find the ones that actually fit in the OEM slots for the normal lights. It's kind of cool. I've done the drill ones before. These are just much better. A lot easier also. So what you're going to want to do, pull out the wiring harness. Just knock this out. Just fall out. And when you insert your new one, go at it through the bottom, feed it through. You'll hear it click into place. Take your wiring harness, make sure it's in there nice and firm. It's not going anywhere. While you're padding back to where it was, and then we reinsert the wiring harnesses. So to test your light, all you have to hook back up is the one right here in the corner. That'll give you power to the lights down there. And you can see how it's off, not centered. You'll take it all back out and I'll show you how to adjust it. Now this what makes these a lot nicer. There's a little notch in there that actually rotates the image on the inside, so you can actually make adjustments to how you want it to look when you open up your doors. That is also the plus of these, because if you had the ones you drill in, you'd have to take out 2 washers, move it, lock the 2 washers back into place. And so with that one minor adjustment, now it looks great. You'll reinsert all 3 harnesses. And when you're lining up the door panel back on, you want to wind up those white pegs. Once you get them back into place, give your door a couple good taps, locks them all back in. So you'll put your 2 Phillips screws down here, put your 1 back in here, replace both covers. Make sure your door all those pegs are fully in. Definitely check your buttons, make sure they all work. Works. And there, ghost lights are replaced. They look nice and beautiful now. Here's the old ones. You can tell how just flimsy. They don't have a nice housing over them. There's no, it's just, they're garbage. Now here's the problem. They used to be available anywhere with eBay, Car ID, AliExpress. I can only find them at this app called Wish. So download the Wish app, and that's where I purchased mine from. And the reason I showed you the passenger side and not the driver's side install is because the driver's side has a lot more wiring harnesses, but it's all the same process.